are the most common challenges for manufacturing facilities?
The challenge is visibility of the devices. It's the first common thing that we meet with our customers. So
Right.
at the first stage, if you have a complete list and it's up to date, all the devices, all the assets in your network, it's pretty much helping you reduce the risk because you actually understand what's on your network, what the patch levels, what the firmwares, where's the everything located.
Mhm.
Then you can actually do the vulnerability discovery. So once you understand what you have, what you possess in the network, you can actually take steps to mitigate risks and reduce risks.